Look what happens if you put a garlic clove in your ear. A lot of published scientific studies on garlic have shown that they are so potent that they can be used in all kinds of treatments of different diseases. They can combat growth of many types of tumors, help promote healthy hormone function, improve immune function, are highly protective of the nerves and cardiovascular system, have remarkable effects on cholesterol reduction, help maintain healthy blood pressure, inhibit hardening of the arteries and improve the elasticity of blood vessels, helps fight cancer and reduces the risk of contracting it. On the other hand, in addition to limiting the intake of fats and sugars, eating garlic maintains a normal level of sugar in your blood and your weight. Garlic has antibacterial properties and removes toxins from the body. In addition, they contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which acts as a potent antioxidant, antihistamine, anti-cholesterol, and anti-inflammatory. Why put a garlic tooth in the ear? Due to its potent anti-inflammatory properties, garlic will significantly relieve ear pain. If you suffer from earache, clogged ears, annoying buzzing or constant earwax in the ear, simply put a garlic clove in your ear. Instructions. 1. Take an organic garlic clove and place it in your ear. 2. Place with a gauze and tape, so that it does not fall. 3. You have to wear it before going to sleep. 4. He will wear it all night. 5. When you wake up the next day, you will not have earache. Guaranteed. This procedure will also soften the ear wax, so it will be easier to remove. You will soon feel the results. When you wake up you will notice the change. You will not feel pain, you will not have tinnitus, your ears will be uncovered, among other improvements.